Would you leave your significant other for a celebrity? Tell us the most weird date night you had. Do you have a boyfriend? Hey guys, it's Mariétou. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're doing awesome. I have asked you guys on my Instagram to send me random questions on Not Gonna Lie. I think it stands for Not Gonna Lie, NGL. And I'm gonna answer them. First question is, best way to save and make money. Best way, first of all, to save money is to literally not spend it. The second I understood that just because you just got paid, just because you just got money, it doesn't mean that you have to spend it. And what helps me save is creating goals for myself. What do I want to do ultimately with my money? I budget my money most of the time because first of all, I'm a student and I do not make that much bread. So that's what I do. I budget and I plan the things I want to do. For an example, I love to travel, so most of my money is spent on traveling and on experiences rather than clothes. Even though it seems like I spend a lot of money on clothes, I save way more. So always budget your stuff. Have different sources of incomes. First of all, you should invest. If you have money like just rotting in your savings account, just take maybe just half of it. You can just take half of it, invest. Try to find reliable, safe stocks that you can buy and just invest and just put your money that way, or like find a financial advisor that will help you, and that is in itself a way to increase your income without it's passive income. Find something you love to do, find a passion, find something you can capitalize off of, and just do that. If you're good at French, math, geometry, physics, chemistry, just start tutoring. If you are great at drawing, sell your drawings, sell your paintings, sell your editing skills, sell everything if you want to make a little side hustle. Next question is, do you have a boyfriend? No. I just feel like I scare people. That's the only reasoning behind me not having a boyfriend, because I'm wifey material. See that? Yeah, it's my hand without a ring. So someone come and get me. Okay, have you ever given Hickey? Damn, that escalated quickly. No, actually no. I mean, why would you waste your time? It's just, you gotta stay at at one spot. Like, it's just, why would you do that? So no, I didn't do that. What is the biggest lesson you've learned since 2022 has started? I feel like I've already answered that question, but the biggest lesson as of right now that I've learned is stop watering dead plants. It is go where you're celebrated. It is stop entertaining dead relationships. If people show you who they are, believe them. You realize who your good friends are and who your bad friends were, because they're not your friends anymore. And that common sense is not common at all, like at all. Would you leave your significant other for a celebrity? For a one night stand, I mean, I'd have to know the celebrity. Like, I'd have to know the personality. I don't care if you're a celebrity. Like, you might be hot, you might be, if we had, I feel like you should have one celebrity that you could have a pass with for a one night stand with your significant other, and you have to establish one celebrity that you could get a hall pass with. You know what I mean? But I would not leave my significant other for a celebrity. What that gotta do with me? You're a celebrity. You did that on your own. I don't care. Good for you. You're rich. Okay, great. But what can you give me? I've built this relationship with my significant other, and you're gonna come here and think that I'm gonna leave him? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, Pam. No, him. I'm a loyal person. I really am. You will leave me before I leave you. And that's on that. Would you ever get with me? N. Dear N, I do not know who you are. Therefore, I could not say yes. I cannot say yes. I see you, I hear you, but I can't say yes. sorry. I can't say no either. I just don't know who you are. Tell us the most weird date night you had. Tell us the most weird date night you had. Honestly, I did not have a weird date night for the simple reason that I haven't gone to a lot of dates. Like, the only dates I've been to were quite nice, honestly. The funniest date though that I've been to, like funny for me, it was an outdoor date. But in the dead of winter. Like, it was a winter kind of wonderland event where there were like activities out, there were like shows, and it was, you know, Canada, the winter, we love the snow, I guess. So I was like, oh, it's fun. Like, it's called Mariétou and I. And you know, you could just walk around, have fun, have hot cocoa. And I thought, oh my god, this looks so cute and so fun. So I thought. It was literally, I kid you not, it felt like minus 40. It was so cold. But me, smart cookie, I had my Uggs boots, I had my goose down coat, I had my mittens, I had a toque, I had everything. I had everything, I was prepared. But my date, I told him though, oh, it's gonna be cold. But my date, he decided to wear like the skinniest coat with Air Force Ones. And I was like, okay. And so I was chilling. I was having fun. I was like, oh, let's do this, let's do that, let's do this activity, let's do that. He was freezing. I felt so bad, but at the same time, I didn't feel bad because I told him, like, in advance. I had told him. I remember being on the Ferris wheel with him and he was literally frozen. He was like that. And I was like, oh my god, look at the view. He couldn't look, like he was over it. But that was funny to me because I was like, you really did this to yourself, you know? Sorry, babes, I was just laughing at you. Anyways, a moment you wish you could relive. One in particular would be my trip to Hawaii. I know if I could have filmed this trip and uploaded it to YouTube, I would have been so happy because I have the littlest videos of this trip and it was like the best trip. It was like in the perfect time and just before COVID hit. It was just so good. If I could relive this moment, I would in a heartbeat. I had so much fun with my sister. Like, it was my favorite trip of them all, and I've been to trips with her, but this one, I don't know what it was. It was so fun. Even though it was mad expensive, I never thought that I would go there, and so I think that added to the magnificence of it all. I just really loved it. Other moment, very weird, but I feel like I could relive my high school experience because I had the best time. Like, I know some people hated high school. I feel like most people hate high school, but to me it was so fun. Like, I could see my friends 5 days out of 7 and 6 if I wanted to. Like, seriously, it was so fun. You went to class, like, I didn't have difficulties at school, so I just went to class, learned it, and had my exams. It wasn't really difficult. Everything that I did, like, I danced. I had so much more time for myself because, as I said, it was not difficult for me. So it was just the best time of my life. And every time I think about it, I have so many good memories, and I'm like, damn, you really don't know what you have until it's gone. I even traveled with my high school. Like, I went to Spain, I went to Germany, Austria, Switzerland. It was so nice, and so that's why I'm so grateful that I had a great high school experience, and I would relive it in a heartbeat. That too. During that time frame of high school, there was summer 2015 and 2016, and like, those were like the best years, like, music wise, film wise, anything wise. It was so amazing. Like, it was so remarkable. I still think of it. I still think of that Drake album. One Dance, Controller, Feel No Ways. Like, it was so good. Work by Rihanna every single time. Bitch better have my money. Like, it was just chef's kiss, okay? This era was so good. 2012 to 2016, great era. And like YouTube too was a great era. There were like beauty gurus, all the group channels. It was just so fun. I had a blast, not gonna lie. What are you working on healing right now? Damn, y'all. Friendship breakups. Yeah. I think my biggest struggle, actually, I've been struggling with this ever since I was like 5. I cannot let go of a friendship. Like, the person has to let go of me. And I wasn't kidding when I said I am a loyal person, so I would never just leave you for anything. Well, except if you're literally out of line and out of pocket. But I wouldn't just leave you because we're not talking a lot anymore, you know? Some people, some friends, they were not the best. Like, they are not the best. They keep showing me that they're not the best, and I keep on making excuses for them, and I need to stop. I really just need to stop. So, you know, now I'm starting to cut off people, and I need to start healing from me feeling like I am being rude or I'm not understanding of their situation. Like, I just need to understand that it's normal and that some people grow apart, and that's just what we are doing right now. I'm healing from the growing pains, basically. Certain paths that I thought I would embark on that I never did. And yeah, so healing from a lot of things while growing at the same time, while trying to move on and, you know, push through and get those achievements is really hard. Adulting is really hard. That was it for my Q&A. Thank you guys for watching. If you have other questions, please leave them down below. I'm gonna answer them for you always. I will leave you to my previous videos. I have shorts, I have travel guides, I have hauls, I have everything and anything you would want. So don't forget to subscribe for more content like that. I have a trip coming up to the south of France. If you don't want to miss this out, I swear to God, you're not going to be disappointed. I'm trying to reach 700 subscribers, so help your girl out. If you like my content, just hit the like button and subscribe. So on that note, I'm gonna leave you. Have an amazing day, night, wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.